What would happen if a company invested in its employees by doing more than just paying for some training? What would happen if company values were actually personified in the lives of its employees? What happens when the lines between being coworkers and being family start to blur? Well, this happens. What happened here?
We got dirty! That's what fun looks like.
What activity is this?
Chair sitting 101.
You guys seem to have it down.
Masters.
First, go you.
Yeah.
What do you think?
It's awesome. A little smelly by the horses, but you know, we'll make it. It smells like Indiana. Smells like it.
All of Indiana?
Unfortunately. Yeah.
What's going on?
I'm shaking. I've never ridden a horse before. Nope. We'll see who rides who back. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay.
What went wrong?
Me, I went wrong.
All right, first go you. What do you think?
I love it. Sky is blue, we're having fun.